We are on our way to the famous stone between the rocks, Kjeragbolten. To see Kjerag's boulder, we have to do a hike. The trail makes up a demanding 11 kilometers route and takes an average of 5 to 6 hours. The route will be over rocky terrain with ascents and descents. A good condition and starting on time is advisable. We park at the Kjerag parking lot and are ready to start the hike. Yes, the hike requires some effort. Once you have passed the 3 climbs and 2 descents, the hike continues over highlands. The red painted stones make the route easy to follow. At last, we descend into the Kjerag Gorge, where the famous stone will soon be seen. If you have enough courage, you can shoot beautiful photos of yourself standing on the famous rock 1,000 meters high. When we have admired the stone, the deep gorge, and the beautiful view, it's time to return on the same road as we came. In our next activity, we will climb to the Preikestolen, or Pulpit Rock, so stay tuned, or check out one of our previous adventures. For now, I thank you for watching. Until the next one.